Let's welcome our next guest who just recently passed the CPA exam.
My name is Anshul Goyal, and I'm a licensed chartered accountant in India, practicing into public account firm in India since 6 years.
How did you study for the CPA exam in general?
Practically speaking, it was completely self-study based for me, um, and I've saved a lot of costs also. I downloaded Surgeon CPA review free material on the website, and that was the only study material which I used. And for practicing the questions, I purchased Ninja MCQs, which was very cheap for me, $67 a month. So I made up a proper strategy, I implemented it, and it really gave me the first result of my first exam. So it gave me more confidence that I can move forward with the rest of the exams with the same plan, and it really worked out. My study plan was to write up the notes, short and bit notes. If the book has 300 pages, I condensed it into just 20 or 30 pages, and I practiced the MCQs around 2,000, 3,000 MCQs. And then later I practiced the simulations, especially the research questions. And it really helped me to save 15 to 20 minutes on the exam for one research question. And then I came back again to practice the incorrect MCQs, which I did. They took down the notes on those MCQs, practiced AICPA sample tests on the website, which was really quite similar for the exam experience. And yes, that's the overall studies time plan I had.
How do you study for multiple choice questions?
My multiple choice experience was I referred my notes, tried to connect with those MCQs. Yes, I did some MCQs incorrectly, but yes, I was later coming back to those incorrect MCQs for my last few days before the exam. Took down the notes for those MCQs as well, and the overall MCQ experience, like I did 300, 400 MCQs one day, because I was solving those MCQs around 2 to 3,000 MCQs in just 7 to 10 days of my preparation. And one set I did for like 30 or 50 MCQs, and I did 10 to 12 sets a day. So that's how you could achieve, 3 to 500 MCQs a day.
How do you study for simulation questions?
Simulation was really I was concerned with, but I was strong on each and every exam on the simulation part. And the way I did, achieve that was I practiced AICPA sample tests 2 times, 3 times. Tried to understand the exhibits, the content, the format, and I was really able to connect during the exam, with the whole structure of the simulations. And it really helped me to save time. I realized when at the end of my journey that I could have taken more time on the solving the MCQs, because simulations I was really comfortable to solve it in 10 to 15 minutes maximum 10 minutes something. And each exam I was able to come out before 10, 15, 30 minutes like that.
How did you take study notes?
I started off taking notes with the topics which I was comfortable with. Since I was doing the self-study by myself, so I had to go with each and every word on the page. I tried to interpret those sentence words and everything, and it's like really brainstorming to write a note. So I just tried to condense everything, and just write down my notes, my charts, and everything on the paper, and it really helped me. I think approximately I did something like 2.5 to 3 weeks of writing notes before I was going to start my MCQs.
Which material did you study first for the CPA exam?
The first step for me was to write down the notes. And before writing the notes, actually, I had to go through the entire book. So I took 7 days something to give a reading throughout the whole study material. Then I came back again, I wrote down the notes. And parallel, after going 50% of my notes taking up, I started doing the MCQs for the notes which I already wrote down previously. And so first I read the material, I wrote down the notes, I started doing the MCQs, and started with the TVS and simulations part. And I was also solving the AICPA sample test, which is really important for each and every student. You go through on the website, and you will get the exact exam experience on that.